Imagine building your catalog without this. No models, no studios, no try rooms. Just this. Meet Tryonora, your virtual creative team. One click equals professional model shoots. Anywhere, anytime. Your listings go live faster, and they look like this. But what about your customers? Now they can try clothes on with just a photo. Upload once, preview everything. Buy confidently. From AI-generated photo shoots to real-time virtual try-ons, Tryonora does the heavy lifting. More confidence, more conversions, less friction. This is Tryonora. Built for bold fashion brands. Designed to sell. Tryonora. Fashion reimagined.